Hello, and welcome to CO 456 Introduction to Game Theory. My name is Martin Pei, and I'm your instructor for this course. This is an online course, so the lectures take the form of videos. If this is your first online course, it might feel a little bit weird. It also feels weird for me. I'm looking at a camera and I cannot see you. But there will be other ways to see and interact with you throughout the course. In this video, I will give you an overview of the course. So, what is game theory? It is not about the theory of playing board games or video games, as I found out after I agreed to teach this course last time. Instead, it is mainly about analyzing social economic situations in a strategic environment. This is where individuals make decisions to try and maximize their own benefits, but their benefits will depend on the decisions that the other individuals also make. For example, a few companies might be producing the same product, say boxes of paper, and they want to decide how many boxes to produce. The more they make, the more money they could earn. However, the price of the paper naturally goes down if many companies are making them. So how much paper should one produce? One aspect of game theory is interested in what would be the most likely decisions that they make. Another example is the counterintuitive fact that building more roads could actually make traffic worse, and there is a game theory explanation for this. Now, game theory covers a broad range of topics. In this course, we will dip into 4 main topics without going too deep into each one. We will start with combinatorial game theory, which is as close to what we think a game is. 2 players take turns to make legal moves until someone can't make a move. We will look at a nice mathematical result that reduces a certain class of combinatorial games into just one game, and it's called NIM. We will then look at strategic games, which is the main focus of classical or economic game theory. We will define the notion of strategic games. Our example about the paper boxes is one of them, and you may have heard about Prisoner's Dilemma, which is another example. We will discuss Nash equilibrium, which describes what we expect the players to behave in strategic games. The third topic is mechanism design. In this case, we become the ones who try to design the strategic game, and we want to achieve certain global goals. But we want to make sure that the rules incentivize players to achieve those goals, and we will mainly discuss this in the context of auctions. The last topic will be cooperative games, where individuals could obtain greater benefit by working together rather than by themselves. But who should you work with? And these are the 4 topics that we will cover in this course. One note about video lectures. They do go quicker than in-person lectures. Typically, a week of video lectures has a running time of around 45 to 60 minutes, but they do cover the same materials as a week of in-person lectures. So you are encouraged to pause the videos to take notes and understand the materials before moving on. I will be asking you some questions throughout the video lectures and include a 5-second timer like this. These are good places to pause and think about the questions I ask before I resolve them in the videos. And we will start the course materials next lecture, starting with impartial combinatorial games.